My name is Jay, this is McMahon Hall. Let's come take a look. There are several lounges in McMahon. Some of them are quiet lounges, some of them are study lounges, and most of them are pretty much hangout lounges where you'll be with your friends. This is my McMahon suite. I have 5 suite mates. Please come in. I love that there's a common living space, and so it's easier to socialize with my suite mates. If you want to hang out, you're always going to be in the common room. I only have one other roommate. As you can see, there's a bed on this side and a bed on that side. We have 2 closet spaces that are very large. We have 2 desks and 2 bed frames, as well as 2 drawers. My favorite dorm amenity is the kitchen that we could use to cook our own meals. We don't have to go to the dining room or the community dining hall, and then we can just bring it out to our dining table that we have. And it's really nice to just share a meal with our friends. So I'm a native New Yorker. Being by the train station is a big thing, and luckily this dorm is right next to the 59th Street Columbus Circle station. In every McMahon Hall entrance, and generally the school, there's 24-hour surveillance by our public safety agents. Mail in McMahon always gets mailed to the mailroom, which is on the ground level. In McMahon Hall, there's 3 laundry rooms, one on the 2nd floor, one on the 10th floor, and one on the 16th floor. All of them are free, they're accessible 24/7. I personalize my space by, putting up some of my accomplishments that I've had. I always put up my posters. Some of these posters I've had as a kid in my original room at home, and so it definitely helps me make it feel more homey. Thanks for watching. If you want to see any more dorm videos, click here.